Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, Cameron and I get to start reassembling the cabinets in this pop-up. It's all a bit exciting, huh, Cameron?
I didn't think we were reassembling anything. I thought we were putting a puzzle together.
Oh, that's right. Today's puzzle day. And for you all that think that maybe I was exaggerating about the basket case pop-up, we've got the pieces laid out here on the floor for you all to see. And yeah, it is going to be like a puzzle today, like a 3D puzzle. It's one of them 3D puzzle thing. That's that's what this is going to be like today. Y'all ready for this? I'm going to spin y'all around, let you look. Never mind the plywood over there that don't go, but all the pieces laying on the floor come out of this pop-up. I counted approximately 35 pieces. So yeah, and there's actually 2 or 3 pieces inside the camper that are still attached. They're still attached to wires and plumbing and stuff like that. But yeah. There's our puzzle for today. So I wasn't exaggerating, was I, Cameron?
Nope, not at all. I didn't even believe him.
That's I knew people didn't believe me, so that's why I wanted to lay it out here on the floor. I don't really understand. I mean, sure, whoever done this, had to take the cabinets out, but I don't understand why they're completely disassembled. You unscrew a cabinet from the floor to the wall, and you just remove the whole cabinet. I don't really understand this. Because that cabinet right there is the one that we removed. So I did kind of sensationalize this a little bit. So those are the pieces that we removed. But see that cabinet? It's fully assembled. We just unscrewed it from the floor and the wall and took the cabinet out. Oh yeah, the couch is still in there too. We didn't bring it out because it's kind of heavy, but yeah. I don't know why everything is just totally disassembled. But Cameron and I are going to see how much of it we can get reassembled today. The customer did send me some pictures of the interior of this same model of pop-up. I don't know whether I have that technology or not, but I will try my best to post those pictures right here if I can figure that out. And I think that's actually going to help a lot. At least it gives us, a visual, layout of the inside of the camper. And so yeah, I think it's going to help a bunch. But we're going to get started here. Probably just going to set y'all up on the tripod inside. I don't really know how much video I'm going to do, and we'll probably be even doing less talking. So we're going to start reassembling, and at the very least, we will update you a couple times during this, and we'll see what we can get done today. That'll be fun, huh, Cam?
Yep.
So if you like puzzles, why aren't you here? Because we could use you right now. Because I don't really care for puzzles. How about you, Cam?
Mm-mm.
So you puzzlers out there, where you at? We could use you today. So we're going to get started. Y'all hang on. One thing we actually have not done yet is crank this thing all the way down and make sure that everything's in the right position here. So we're going to do that, and we're going to let y'all watch. Maybe give you a little bit better idea how this L&W lift system works. I gave you a little idea how that works. So we're gonna keep working on cabinets. We got a lot of it done. Of course, we know where all this stuff goes, except for that piece of paneling. We cannot figure out where that piece of paneling goes. Maybe it was extra. Maybe it was out of another camper. But let me take you inside and show you. So I know the light's horrible, but it's looking a lot better. Is it buttoned up? Nope. Is it perfect? Nope. Was it perfect when we got it? Nope. Is it better than it was when we got it? Oh yeah, definitely. Right, Cam?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we are we puzzlers now? Is that a word?
We officially are.
Is that a word? Is that what you call people that do puzzlers? Puzzlers?
Professional puzzlers.
Puzzlers?
Yeah.
That's what we are now, right?
I like it.
We're gonna stick with it.
Mm-hmm.
We're now puzzlers. Because we definitely put together a big old puzzle day.
That can go on my resume now.
Hey, hadn't even thought about that. That's good stuff. Huh? Puzzler. Yeah. I don't know how much more we'll actually get done. We're done for today. But that sink, now it mounts on this countertop right here with a hinge. And that stuff all needs buttoned up, but actually it looks pretty good considering. I honestly didn't know. I mean, like I say, we still got pieces left over. We got pieces back here. Have no idea where that piece goes. That's a door. Have no idea where that piece goes.
Don't know where it is.
We got that one piece of paneling. Yeah, we got some stuff here. We have no idea where this stuff goes. So we're just gonna assume it's extras. It's the only thing we can figure. We are gonna call it a day for today. This job actually has gone pretty well, hasn't it, Cameron?
Yeah.
Better than I anticipated. Even the puzzle wasn't that bad. We scratched our head a few times today, and we put a few things together and then decided that, well, that wasn't right, but we didn't get far, you know, so it wasn't bad. So that's going to be it on this pop-up. There will be no more videos on the
basket case pop-up.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. So I just really want to thank everybody that's watching our videos right now. It means so much to us. You know, it's one thing doing these videos, but you know, when people actually watch them and seem like they enjoy them, I don't know why they enjoy them, but they seem like they do. That just really means a lot to me, and I don't know what it means to Cameron, but
You have to keep watching to find out.
all right, folks, we are gonna go. We're not gonna go up the road and fix another one. It's late on Saturday. We're done for the day. That's not Saturday.
It's Wednesday.
Seems like Saturday because
It's been a long week already.
Because this is Christmas week, so every day seems like Saturday, right? Hey, y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. The basket case pop-up is about 99% done. Still got to figure out a wire that came loose on the converter, but the cabinets are all done. Does that look anything like those pictures that you saw a while ago? I think it does. We still have to test the gas system, clean up a little bit, and this one will be done. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like when it was basically done. All the cabinets are done, like I say, just a couple little odds and ends to tidy up, and this thing will be ready to ship.